Comparison between new 2026 Toyota Highlander versus upcoming 2027 Toyota Highlander. Here is a clear, up-to-date comparison between the 2026 Toyota Highlander and the all-new upcoming 2027 Toyota Highlander, based on Toyota's official announcements and recent automotive reporting. 2026 Toyota Highlander highlights: standard AWD across all trims, 2.4L turbo gas engine producing 265 horsepower, hybrid option delivers 35 miles per gallon combined, proven reliability and platform, traditional fueling, no charging needed, best for buyers who want conventional gas or hybrid simplicity. 2027 Toyota Highlander, major changes, complete redesign, Toyota's first ever 3-row electric SUV, fully electric, no gas or hybrid versions, battery sizes, 77 kWh and 95.8 kWh, range up to 320 miles, fast charging with Tesla supercharger and ACS compatibility, advanced tech including 14-inch screen, Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, vehicle to load, V2L. Which one should you choose? Choose 2026 Highlander if you want maximum reliability, prefer gas or hybrid, need strong towing capability, want proven resale value, live where EV charging infrastructure is limited. Wait for 2027 Highlander if you want fully electric driving, like cutting-edge tech and modern design, want zero emissions, have good access to charging infrastructure, want the most future-proof Highlander ever. Bottom line, the 2027 Highlander represents the biggest transformation in Highlander history, switching entirely to electric. Meanwhile, the 2026 model remains one of the most refined and reliable gas/hybrid family SUVs available. Powertrain and performance. 2026 Toyota Highlander, 2.4L turbocharged gasoline engine, hybrid option, 2.5L plus electric motors. Output, gas, 265 horsepower. Hybrid, 243 horsepower. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. Drivetrain, AWD standard. Towing, up to 5,000 pounds gas model. Best for long-distance travel, towing, easy refueling, proven durability. 2027 Toyota Highlander EV, fully electric, no gas or hybrid. 2 battery options, 77 kWh, 95.8 kWh. Output, FWD, 221 horsepower. AWD, 338 horsepower, 323 lb-ft torque. 0 to 100 km per hour, 5.8 SEC, AWD. Platform, modified TNGA EV architecture. Best for silent ride, instant torque, modern performance, zero emissions. Driving range and charging. 2026 Highlander, gas, 24 mpg combined. Hybrid, 35 mpg combined. Refuel time, 3 to 5 minutes. 2027 Highlander EV, estimated range, 77 kWh FWD 287 miles/462 kilometers. 77 kWh AWD 270 miles/435 kilometers. 95.8 kWh AWD 320 miles/515 kilometers. Charging, DC fast charging 10 to 80% is almost equal to 30 minutes. Tesla supercharger compatible and ACS port. 11 kilowatts AC home charging. Vehicle to load, V2L, power external devices. Interior and technology. 2026 Highlander, 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus. Wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Standard heated seats, higher trims. 2027 Highlander EV. 14-inch touchscreen. 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. Head-up display, limited. 64-color ambient lighting. Panoramic glass roof, largest Toyota has ever offered. Advanced park assist. Traffic jam assist. Over-the-air updates, OTA. Size, space, and practicality. The 2027 Electron Volts model is longer and wider, improving third-row comfort and cargo capacity. Cost expectations, important for buyers. 2026 Highlander, USA pricing, $39,000 to $52,000. Lower upfront cost. Lower infrastructure requirement. 2027 Highlander EV, expected pricing, $55,000 to $65,000. Higher upfront cost. Lower running and maintenance costs. Much cheaper electricity versus fuel per kilometer. Which one makes more sense in Indonesia? 2026 Highlander, better choice if you live outside major cities. Charging stations are limited. You travel long distances frequently. You want fast refueling. You tow trailers or boats. 2027 Highlander EV, better choice if you live in Jakarta/Surabaya/Bali/Medan. You have home charging. Mostly city driving. Want silent ride plus cutting-edge tech. Lower operating costs long-term. Final verdict. 2026 Highlander equals practical, proven, universal usability. 2027 Highlander EV equals future-focused, high-tech, premium experience. Toyota is transforming the Highlander into a next-generation electric flagship, while the Grand Highlander continues as the gas/hybrid family hauler. 2027 Toyota Highlander EV versus 2026 Toyota Highlander. How they compare. As Toyota's mid-size three-row SUV goes electric, we look at the differences between it and the outgoing gas-fed and hybrid versions. The arrival of the 2027 Toyota Highlander marks a huge shift for the popular mid-size SUV, which has adopted an all-electric powertrain. The new Highlander EV keeps its predecessor's three-row layout, but the dimensions have changed considerably. The new Highlander is available in front and all-wheel drive configurations, with the former making 221 horsepower and the latter making 338 horsepower. The Toyota Highlander's sales figures have dwindled in recent years, with the once dominant mid-size three-row SUV somewhat cannibalized by its larger Grand Highlander sibling. With Toyota's SUV lineup practically bursting at the seams, it decided it was time for the Highlander to make a drastic change. Accordingly, the 2027 Toyota Highlander eschews its internal combustion powertrain in favor of an electric-only setup. Here's how the new electric version compares with its gas-fed and hybrid predecessors.